Wow. Northern California.
Oh.
You know, they
it's like
maintain
renting the boat,
yeah. So they maintain the boat.
He sort of like incentivized himself.
Yeah. Which I could have. It was a rough day, and it was tiring. Yeah.
How are your mics?
Let's see. And I was feeling head and about berth rocky, and you could look out through the waves. That's because of that routines. I was like, oh, maybe we won't travel right now.
You're just chilling.
Oh, we love our just slow life. So we were thinking about taking. Right. Yep. That might be a reason to go away from the.
Where's the fish?
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There you are. Look at the reflection off the water. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
A shit soft
Yeah, right. Yes.
For any accurate square.
That's gorgeous out there. Super nice.
They're so big.
Hold on.
You're not gonna fly, buddy?
Yep. You got a pass.
Are you gonna renew your pass next year?
Having a swarm of cicadas. Billions of cicadas.
Very nice. Oh, here's a rest stop if you guys want to use the bathroom or anything.
Is that the marker from the natural spot?
Yeah, we've actually walked 1.8 miles.
It's a little bit more than that. Too. Like it doesn't include the rock friendly.
That cement area.
I just stay off.
I don't have any Instagram, Facebook.
Oh, you don't? Nothing?
Twitter.
You guys walking backwards.
Oh, that's the whole point of working on a car.
And I have to. She tries exaggerating usually.
Okay. When she's done all
The French territory with the medieval.
what's that?
Look at all those red ants you're standing here.
Holy
Oh.
shnikes!
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you kind of got them a little excited. It's getting kind of narrow.
Yeah, pig rubber.
Have you gone
Oscar,
over to
I need real pools though.
Have you gone over to the Linda?
Now it's on our right hand side.
Oh, this is a perfect place for a drone.
It would be.
Yeah.
I think you better check for state parks. I've got a feeling state parks
Oh,
there's no
that's
drones.
true.
Usually, yeah.
This particular variety of octopus only lives only 1 year.
You could say seated nowadays.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi! Oh,
Okay,
shit.
hold on. Come around.
Oh, shit.
Come this way.
Come this way. Everyone work slowly.
Come on,
in one
it's okay.
direction.
Come here.
Okay,
Just
go
run. Just run.
slowly. You-
Just run?
Just run.
No, or walk. I would walk slowly. Just walk slowly. Don't do that. Just walk slowly. Do not just walk. Keep going. Just keep going. Do not look threatening, and he'll leave you alone.
Okay. I'm not going to look.
Snakes do not are scared of us.